Yo, 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 yo. What's going on, everybody? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? We are live and back in action, baby. The dream team, the DOD team is back in action. BIA. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's go ahead and get this live as well. All right, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. What's up, Artif? What's up, Pink? Justin, J-Rod, Danae, Cooling, Jeff. What's good, y'all? DOD. How was everyone's weekend? How was everyone's long weekend? What's with the Avalanche, bro? I don't want to talk about hockey, bro. We're hurting over here emotionally. We got the Colorado curse, man. It's not looking great. I was just watching your full training guide. Nice. Now you came to the live one. Oh, all right, let's get it. What's good, what's good, what's good? Trying to get all this Team Bowl stuff going. And then we will be ready to rock and roll and get this party started. Live trading link. What's good, what's good, what's good? Good morning, everybody. Top of the day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How was everyone's weekend? How to get mentorship? My DMs are always open on IG. That's the only place that I answer DMs and can get you pointed in the right direction. Cash out. Good morning. Hope y'all had a great long weekend. I'm happy to be back with y'all. I'm extremely happy to be back with y'all. Extremely, extremely stoked. Don't cash out. What's good, y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Jalapeno? What's good, Philip? What's good, what's good, what's good? What's up, what's up, what's up? We're going to catch ourselves some bangers this week. I'm confident in it. I am confident that we're gonna crush it together this week, everybody. How about them Knicks, too, going to the finals? The downfall of them Cavs has to be studied. That was bad. I mean, that was bad. Of course, you could say the same about my Colorado sports teams right now. The downfall of our Avalanche has to be studied, too. It's terrible. We don't want to talk about that, though. We're not going to discuss that. We got the Colorado curse. Oh, whoops. Here, Grizzly, you'll be able to speak in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Almost.
Morning, man. How you?
What's up, bro?
You have a good Memorial Day weekend?
Yeah, it was great. How about yours?
Oh,
Do anything fun this weekend?
I smoked a brisket. Took up quite a bit of time, but took some. Spend time with family.
Nice. Bad day to be a brisket when Grizzly comes around.
Yeah, real.
Bad day to be a brisket.
Ugh.
Oh, man. What you watching today, bro? You see anything you like?
Man, I haven't even looked at the charts yet.
I'm going to be dead ass. I am not either. So I'm asking you. No. It's.
I trade yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. My trading bait and my trading view were showing different spreads, so I closed it out early. But I made money, but it ended up going even further.
Damn. It's dope. Hopefully we can catch ourselves a bag today. One good trade a day, that's all it takes.
Yeah, man.
One good trade a day keeps a lot of life's problems away.
I'm about to grab my coffee, be back.
All right. Is 2K a day good to start? 2K a day is good if you've been trading for 10 years. If you've been trading for 20 years and you're averaging 2K a day, you're winning heavily. You are on top if that's if that's where you're at. Social media has tricked too many people into thinking that it's $5K a day or nothing. Even $100 a day. Averaged. If you can make an average $100 a day for the entire year, you are better than 95% of traders because you're profitable. I just started this trading stuff. I just learned candlestick trends and break-up structures so far. Nice. In the past 6 trading days, I'm 7 for 7. Proud of myself. That's awesome. That's baller. That's for real baller. What's up, Mr. Gene? Good morning, bro. Thank you, dog. I stopped over trading and now I'm profitable. That's a story in a few words for how a lot of people would be. I mean, seriously. Over trading is the number one mistake that I see a majority of traders make. If I had to pick one. I'm a jobless truck driver. You know, start making money here. I'm screwed. Well, I'll do my best to help make that happen. I'll do my best. Guess what I got too? I got my coffee, baby. Which means pay done is in the house. Pay done is activated, baby. You already know. I made a decision, guys. You know what? I think it's going to be non-negotiable that your boy goes to a finals game at Madison Square Garden. I think that's just going to have to happen. That means I'm going to have to win like a month's worth of trades. Y'all seen the prices in Madison Square Garden? Have y'all seen the prices even for the nosebleeds of those games, bro? It's insane. Like I was looking at this last round versus Cleveland, bro. The cheapest ticket I found. I'm talking at the worst. I'm talking the worst. The absolute top of the arena was $750 a pop. If you wanted to take a date, you were at a minimum paying $1,500. That is literally insane. If you want like a respectable normal seat, like nothing crazy, but like, mid 100s, decent, you're paying like 5 racks a pop. Or last round you were. I don't know what you're going to pay this round. I'll tell you the one thing right now, though. That ain't going to be me.
It's a short week, everyone. We really got to lock in this week. The short weeks don't allow for many mistakes. So.
Yep, we got to get some steak money.
Right.
I was just talking about the New York Knicks ticket prices. It's insane.
What are they?
So for this last round for the West or the Eastern Conference Finals, for the worst possible tickets at Madison Square Garden, it was like $7.50 a pop in the nosebleeds, like absolute worst.
Crazy.
Yeah, I know. It's like the finals. I bet it's going to be like over 1,000 each for nosebleeds for sure.
I'd hate to see the court side.
Let's go look at how. Oh, the World Cup starts soon too. Let's go look at these World Cup tickets. World Cup is expensive too. Oh my gosh. Like rack a pop. The lowest price for this US versus Paraguay is a rack a pop. That is insane.
Ticket prices are just crazy high. I was talking to you about trying to get season tickets for the Vols for 7 games. And it's just, you can't unless you just donate like hundreds of thousands to UT. Good morning, everyone. Just joining. Team Bull needs to wake up, Jdun.
What's up?
That's talking Team Bull needs to wake up.
I know everyone needs to wake up. Wake your butt up, baby. Come on. Come on. We got 5 more minutes till open. Oh yeah, good call on mentioning the news. I gotta get our news posted in Team Bull.
What news do we have today, Jdun?
That's a great question. I'll know in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have consumer confidence at 10 a.m.
Right. I'll take it. No Fed speakers, right?
Not during the day. Nope.
Market respected technicals yesterday on a short day with the stock market close on futures, so hope it does the same today.
Well, it was respecting technicals yesterday.
Yeah, I mean everything that I was watching hit, even the bounce area. 10:45. I was watching that zone. Physiology confirmed it. Had a nice move up.
Damn, my boy, cooking.
Good morning, Gator, CJG, jalapeno. Speaking of jalapenos, I made some on the grill yesterday. It's hot.
Yeah,
I like spicy, though.
the puppies were hot. I keep getting my days mixed up. I keep thinking it's Monday. What 3 for 3? Nice. That's dope. It's gonna be a damn good day. It's a good day for a month freaking good day. a time for started first prop account 3 for 4 over Asian session. Nice. That's dope. Between like there was no grilling happening in Virginia this weekend. Nothing but rain here. We need that rain here in Colorado. Got my first 2 payouts since watching you. Hey, that's dope. That's real play alike. We got 2 minutes till open, everybody. We got 2 minutos till open. Let's get it, everybody. I want all y'all to trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, choose DOD. Let's make this week a winning one. We're going to get our levels marked out. We got pre-market high marked out. We got pre-market low way down yonder. Let's find ourselves one solid winner, and hopefully we can go about our day. Get out of here early.
Let's do this.
Let's get it. Let's get it, Grizzly Glock. The butter churner.
You want to churn some butter?
So, Gene, you guys want to talk about someone who's always trading? His name's, oh my gosh. Like, literally, I'll be like yesterday. It's dinner time. Got some nice steaks and stuff. You know, dinner's getting put out. We're hanging out. I look over. It's like 8 p.m. Bro, just locked in on his phone on the charts at all times. Or I'll hear yes. And I'm like, what? He's like, just got a payout. Or just secured a pay. It's locked in a payout.
Being the better trader out of all of us.
Oh, no, bro, just is always locked in. No missed opportunities in Gene World. Ain't that right, Gene? He's like, why would I be looking at my phone or Instagram when gold is having a massive downtrend? Compa stays locked in. Yeah, my private mentorship isn't free, my boy. This is free. This is very valuable and it's free. I don't even talk about my private mentorship really on here, but for my private program, it's not free. This is free, though. There's a lot of value here. So welcome in. Hopefully we can catch a winner together here today. The ultimate goal is to catch a banger today. Follow the system. Follow the plan. Make some magic happen. Oh, whoops. Okay, baby. Let's make some magic happen here, everybody. Let's see if we can get 30,000 today. We just about got 30,000 yesterday. We got up to 29,996. 1996, that's the year I'm born. 90s baby, stand up. 1996 is the year that legends were born. What? 100 years ago? That is foul. I guess I am Unk. I want to hear a whole lot of order field. I don't want to hear a single time this week. Stop field. Not a single time. I hope we do get a nice trend day. Trading voiceover actor, your third job. Yep, that's right. You're damn right.
I'm gonna watch this Asia Low team ball to get down there. As long as we don't have a crazy volume push down to it.
Bro's gonna make me start adding Asia Low to my chart. Around like 770. What costs more, your 800K Lambo or your house? Well, I sold that car and I lost 100K on it. But my house. Very blessed to have a spot to live in that I really like. I'm in no trades right now. No trades right now.
Jdun, are you talking?
Uh-huh. Can you hear me? Oh. Check.
I can hear you.
Check. No trades for me.
Yeah, this Asia Low, the only area I'm watching for a bounce. Other than that, I'm just gonna watch this range.
What time frame are you on? The 5-minute time frame. Almost always. How far back do you mark up the pre-market highs and lows? As of recently, 4 a.m. Excuse me, but you can go back to 2 a.m. Eastern time as well. But this is on the chart here. It's 4 a.m. pre-market high, pre-market low. Kind of is up to your discretion. I found that 4 a.m.'s been working really nice. Yeah, 4 a.m. Eastern time. Yep. Am I looking for short? I'm not really biased right now. Again, we've had a very strong uptrend. I mean, we're damn near it. 30,000. I actually like the 750 area to 770 area for a bounce. I really do. And the reason for that isn't just these key levels down here, this Asia low, pre-market low, but also let's take a peek back at yesterday's high, or Friday's high, excuse me. Friday's high was right around that peak at 750. So I'd like to see us come down to this zone, find a higher low, and move back up. I think that would just be great. Taking you away. Let's see what they give us today, y'all. I know a few things certain this week is that we are going to follow our plan. We're going to have some fire workouts. And when we win, we're getting steak. That I know for a fact. 3 things are certain in life: death, taxes, and the fact that we're catching a banger and eating steak. Do I trade the 15-minute orb on occasion? Not just the orb, though. The orb by itself isn't something I'd consider like my full strategy. I trade price action. You can use orb levels, and they can work really well, but you got to know how to read price action to make it sustainable long term. For sure. What app are you using? What app are you using for tracking trades? Depends. The best journaling app is TradeZella. How far back do you mark out the pre-market high and lows? I already answered that. What's good, YouTube? Where's everybody at? How y'all doing this morning? You guys all have a good weekend? You guys all have a great weekend? What's up, Cameron? New York opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Everyone have a good long weekend. There's our there's our recovery to high a day. Market said no easy bounce for you. Not today. Market was not about to let us have a easy day. Said no way.
Not a lot of volume on this candle yet.
Got an anomaly if it stays here. Base ripper up. If we had a solid candle and higher volume here, I'd almost be inclined to look for a slight pullback. No, that's not right. For a slight pullback down to that 50% retracement of the range. It also coincides with VWAP there right around 885. So potentially a long entry here. Not going to say for sure, but potentially. All right, let's see what we get here in terms of a pullback for the longs. Brandon is in his live. Probably being patient. Gearing up. Gearing up for a gearing up for a for a trade. No. Must be hearing things. Or it's the universe trying to just speak its truth. Love that guy. We were all chilling this weekend, G and Brandon and I. The Zoom link in the Discord it's only available on Free Fridays. Otherwise, that's for the private section. There's no lag there either. No lag in the private Discord. Private section of the Discord. A lot of good value being a part of that. I don't really talk about it a lot on here, but less than a cup of coffee a day. Obviously, I do these free live streams, but Team Bull, the private section's been around for 6 years, and we got a lot of happy people there. Just a rocket ship, no retracement whatsoever. I'm not sure what's going to happen if we break 30,000 before. I would have loved to have seen, you know what would have been perfect? Obviously, we're not getting it, but a move back down, some sort of retracement, higher low, and then a rocket right to 30,000. That 30 Racco's spot is where I think market wants to head today. That's where I think the market wants to mob to. I didn't post the class. That's right. You know, as a reminder, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're on TikTok, make sure y'all tap that screen, hit that follow button in the top left corner. And if you're on the YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting subscribe, and also hitting that thumbs up. If you guys get to 500 likes, which you have over 1,000 people here, should be no problem. Get to 500 likes, we start the giveaways. 500, we give away Lucid 50K Pro account. 600 likes, cash, and more cash, baby. I know y'all like that. So appreciate y'all being here, hitting that thumbs up button, hitting that like on the live. Over 1,000 people here, should be no problem. I help you guys find winning trades, stay disciplined, trade smart, and trade safe every day. As always, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. We got some good deals right now. Lucid is 50% off for your first 2 accounts, then 40% off. We got Tradeify at 40% off. Apex at 90% off. The Funded Futures Family at like 50 to 80% off. A lot of good deals. And we're about to hit 30,000. We're about to hit 30,000, my boy. We're creeping up on this 30,000, and it's going to go without us. I think initially, from the little I've seen, Apex has some work to do in their live program, for sure. But again, their finalized program isn't out, so I always like to give companies the benefit they got to protect themselves too. So we'll see what they cook up. All right, guys. Technically speaking, our orb is valid, and
That's exactly what I'm here to say.
Yep, and so is our 2-bar. 950. Technically take a higher low up at like 950. It's a little earlier entry, but
I went right back off, huh?
I'm going to try a small piece of the longs, guys. I'm going to try the orb down here at 936. Guys, I'm trying the longs. It's a higher risk trade because we haven't gotten the retrace yet, but I did try the longs. Market strong. Traditional orb trade. I'll keep my stop loss about right below 900. I did try the longs, everybody. So you guys know. So it's a little higher risk. I would have rather seen us bounce this first, but I did try the longs down here, everybody. See if we can ride this to 30,000. Longs are secured. I like to see high a day. If we close this candle aggressive, like strong, we can potentially move our stops up a little bit. I'd like to see high day out of this. So even if it, at this point now, guys, we've had like a 20-plus point move up. Even if we end up going back down and failing, it shows we had the right idea. So I'm happy with this either way. Come on. Don't do us dirty. Don't do us dirty. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Don't do me dirty like that. Went from like 936 to 940 up to 960s, but not nearly enough to take anything off. Not nearly enough for me. It's high a day or, well, it's 30-plus points at least. So basically, it's basically high a day or nothing for me at this point. Stops at 899. You try the orb, Grizzly? Worked out for a second. It could still work out. I'm hopeful. Hopefully these buyers grow some huevos and make us some freaking huevos NQ winner rancheros. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. I need all you got, Naziquita. High a day or no huevos rancheros for you, Naziquita. It's all or nothing. Come on. Need a minimum of 970 plus if you do want to take off early. 970 plus. That's what I like to see. I'm not moving my stops until I trim. Okay, this candle looks good. Kind of. Kind of looks good. We have a strong wick. So when we got to move up, I'd like to see a continuation move. If we break this low, this candle here, we likely stop out. If we break below 913. I'm going to keep my plan in place because I made that promise to myself. We also have data in 5 minutes. At 970 plus, we can potentially trim. Here's the spot. I'm going to go ahead and trim right here up here at almost. All right, guys, filled. First trim off. Took 50% of position off up here, guys. First trim filled. First trim filled, everybody. First trim filled. Second price target on this is 30,000. And now that we got that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trail my stops up. I'm going to trail my next set of stops up to right now at the second 913. I may just put them up at break even though if we start seeing weakness. First set of trims filled, everybody. I took off half of my position. I pressed sell on half of my position. I don't know if I could be more clear. I pressed the sell button on half of my position, everybody. I'd like to see us go up to 30,000. I'm gonna move my stops up now to 929. 929 and move my stops up to just below break even. I'd like to see us push up to high a day. We're gonna make sure this is a green trade regardless. Come on, baby. Push it up. We want more. This is my final price target's up here at 30,000. I'd like to see a push up higher. Come on. Come on, baby. Yeehaw it. Give it to us, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Sell ordering at 29,999.75. Right here at 30,000, just below. Come on, baby. Give me all you got, baby. Give it to me. Give it to Benny the Bull. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see what you made of, NASDAQ. Come on. Urgh. Give it to Benny the Bull now. Come on. Give it to me. I want to see what you got, NASDAQita. Give me all you got, baby. I want that. I want that right up. I want that slingshot into 30,000. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Green trade regardless, everybody. Stops trailed up. We have data in 1 minute, guys. I'd like to see this push above 30,000. My trim is at 29,999.75. I have a limit order set. Come on. Let's go, everybody. Come on, baby. Push it up. There we go. Boom! Let's go! Trim filled, everybody. Trim filled. Final runners. Stops at break even. We either go to the moon or stop at break even. Let's go! Hey! We want to take profit. Party! Hey! We want to take profit. Party! We hit 30,000 and we were part of the trade. That is history, boys. We came into this 30,000 level, also making money on the way up. Stops are at break even. 3/4 the position gone. Let's see if we can either run into gulag. We got to be a part of history, going to 30K and being in a winning position. That's what's up. That's what's up, baby. That's what I'm talking about. How about them longs, Gene? Nuker. 30,000. Yep, crazy. We're part of history, boys. We're part of history, boys. Let's go. Let's let this puppy ride too. All right, guys, we gotta have a hype up for 30,000. We just made history. If you guys took this trade with me, if you guys made money going into 30,000, I want to see you guys run it up in the chat right now. Type how much you made on this history-breaking trade right now, this second. It's here. Talk to me, baby. How much did y'all make on that trade? We just made history together in those longs going up to 30,000, 350, 321, 1,200, 506, 75, 1,200, past 3 counts, past evals, 120, 753, 755, 1,000, 350, 885, 820, 280, 536, 396, 220. Let's go! History made, baby. Let's go. That's dope. Money bags orb entry. Absolute pure money bags. With minimal drawdown. There was a little drawdown. From around 940, 936 to be exact, we'll call it 940 down to 915. So there was a little drawdown, but not a lot.
And that was one nasty trade.
That was great. You take it too?
Yeah, I took it, but we took it at the same time, so I just.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, nasty, man. I played it all the way up to 30,000.
Let's go. We need all of y'all to post your gains in the post your gains section too. Tag Grizzly, tag myself. You guys know what happens. We'll be picking some giveaway winners today too. I'm not sure which firm, but if you guys want to win a prop firm funded account from either FFF, Apex, Lucid, or Tradeify, post your gains in the post your gains section and tag the boys. Say something nice. Blow it up. That was awesome, guys. Got to make history together. You caught some longs too, yeah, Gene? Gene likes the longs. Everyone caught the longs. The longs, the longs, the longs. Remaining stops at 9:46, guys. Below that aggressive 5-minute candle here, just above entry point. That was fun. That was a good time. All right, if you haven't yet, now I would really appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up button on the live. Caught a winning trade together. Stayed patient, chose DOD. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, and you're going to unlock yourself a giveaway. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun when you are trading with these prop firms. We got some good deals with Lucid, with Tradeify, with Apex, FFF, Alpha Futures, and Vanquish. Tradeify has been really killing it. Over $200 million in payouts. You can use code Jdun for 40% off. I just went live with Lucid thanks to DOD. Thanks, my brother. Let's go. I recommend the 50K select account with Tradeify. If you're going to trade with Tradeify, 50K select account is goated. Hey, and guess what, guys? Even if you missed out on the history-making trade, guess why you shouldn't have FOMO? Guess why it's not a big deal? Tell me why it's not a big deal. Tell me why you should have zero FOMO missing that trade. Because there's going to be another one. There's going to be another setup. I mean, that was a textbook orb setup. Guys, break above, higher volume, retest the 15-minute high, put stops below key level, whole site number 900, let it ride. We're going to see this setup again. It's not a big deal. So if you're frustrated, if you mismanaged, if you sold early, if you missed it, maybe you fumbled the bag and you stopped out because you got scared, whatever your issue is, whatever the problem was today, just know you can learn from it and the setup's going to come again. It's all good in the hood.
We'll be open to one more trade today if we could get some confirmation, but
Rather miss a positive trade than take a negative one. Facts, as long as you're following your plan.
I just wish I went full size. Only thing I wish.
I need y'all to hit that like button. Come on, YouTube. Hit that thumbs up on the live. 500 likes. You guys get Lucid 50K account.
Cool to see AQ hit 30K, but it's just crazy to see it there. You think we'll be trading when it's at 100K?
That is insane to think about.
You'd have to have a 400-point stop loss. At that point.
Insane.
500-point maybe, I don't know.
We're
good.
We're trading like the New York Knicks today, baby. Out here winning. Trading like the damn New York Knicks out here. I got dibs on being Jalen Brunson, though.
You been playing any ball?
I'll go shoot around when I go to the gym. I haven't really played a lot of rec lately.
Yeah, I just don't. No one seems to want to play anymore. Everyone getting older, I guess.
I'll come play ball with you.
I'll play with you.
They call me JDD for a reason. Jacob dunks and defense. I'll be blocking.
You're not dunking on me. You might get some shots. Jump, I'm gonna hold on to your shorts.
Yep.
Stay dirty.
Y'all can't call me J Dumb today. You can call me Jay Brun, as in Jay Brunson, baby. We're hitting them bangers. Jay Brunson, baby. That's what we're calling me today. Hitting them heaters on a win streak.
He's playing on basketball go beside the road, so.
Yup. Oh. Let it keep pushing. Let's go, John G. I want to see all y'all blow up the post your games. I'm going to be doing some giveaways in the post your games section for anyone who posts and tags. Yes, sir. That was awesome. That was great. If you guys like the live, I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. If you're on TikTok, as a reminder too, you also get full screen share on YouTube. You get full screen share Jdun Trades on YouTube. Our YouTube fam needs some support. If y'all on TikTok and you get value from these, come on over to YouTube right now. Hit that subscribe and hit like. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. Come tap in with the squad. We do this every single day. Come on, we have fun. Find some winners. this a buy phase? I mean, clearly we're going up. The bulls are in charge. I'm actually stoked too. The bull mask worked today. It usually don't work very well. Good job today, everybody. Got our banger 45 minutes in. Thanks, bro. Hesitated on my entry today, but not too worried about it. See you again soon. Yup. It's going to come again. No need to trip. Right now, too, Apex is 90% off. If you guys want a cheap barrier to entry account, whether either an advanced trader or beginner, you can use code Jdun for 90% off. The video lags about 5 to 7 seconds on YouTube. Yeah, the only place there's truly no lags inside the Discord for Zoom. That's the only place there's no lag at all. So if you want to get no lag, if I can give you enough value for the cost of a cup of coffee a day, then join the Discord. You get no lag and all the other benefits that we have. Look at that, baby. New high a day. We're about to get spicy trade out of this, baby. 3K bank today. Shout out at JDM for the call outs. Let's go. Look at that. We're about to get spicy trade. Almost 100 points going up on a Tuesday. Club going up on Tuesday. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Take me away. Been going for solid base hits every day, and it has helped me have more green days than red. Just got to learn to hold runners. Yep. Absolute heat-seeking missile. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're above VWAP too. Above our key levels. Looks great. Look at that. Almost 100-point trade. We got to make history on a spicy trade. 100 points live in real time together. How about them apples? How about them apples, baby? How about them apples? Tell me that's not awesome. History made together as a fam. That's major. Yep. Final micro runner, still cooking. Still cooking. At this point, I'd just recommend trailing him up to 30,000. Trail him up to 30,000, let him either run and keep moving or stop out at 30K. Either way, it's a 60-point winner or potentially a trend day if we just keep slowly moving up. I mean, you don't know where we're going to go up here because we've never been up here before. This is, like I said, history. Let's see how this is looking. Check. There's not much lag on the YouTube. It's like 4 seconds. But again, if you don't want... I'm watching my P&L go up, and I'm going to be watching the menu for which steak I want to order tonight.
I already know what you're going to order.
What? What kind?
Sirloins?
Nope.
You're going to get that 3-piece.
the strips.
I've had it myself.
The filet flight.
Yeah, I had it there. I was there last time. Good.
Filet flight.
Oh, the new sushi place close to me. I gotta try out.
And that was awesome. Absolute nuker. History made. History freaking made, everybody. That was cool. Absolute nuke town, guys. Super clean. The trend is your friend. I know it's tempting to try to short on this aggressive move up or long on aggressive moves down. But just remember, the trend is your friend, guys. It's all it takes. If I've helped you in these live streams too, whether it's through strategy or discipline. I appreciate you guys using code Jdun in your prop firms. That supports the stream. It supports me. I want to do my best to help you guys become a liability for these firms. I want them to see you use code Jdun and they say, oh, crap. Someone's coming to choose DOD. Facts, I did want to short DOD, baby. That's right. That's awesome. Right now, Tradeify is 40% off too, guys. You can use code JDON. I like their 50K select accounts. If I helped you, go get yourself a Tradeify account right now with code JDON. Choose the 50K select. That's my favorite account they have. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Oh my gosh, look at this trade, guys. Tell me that's not a deal. I would personally wait. Like if I didn't take this trade down here at this retest, I wouldn't chase up here. NQ's reaching for the sky, baby. Look at that. Tell me that's not a beauty. Stat Q levels, that's right. Dun. Legit money bags, guys. That was dope. Oh. When we catch banger trades, 100+ points, and we still can't get to 500 thumbs up. I don't know what to do. I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button, though. We do this every day. Do this every single day, baby. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Is price gonna die? I wouldn't go that far to say that. Let's see. Actually, do tomorrow. Appreciate all y'all being here, everybody. What a great day. What a great trading day. We'll take it. Oh, that's not quiet. We just caught a banger. There's no more analysis to do. We caught a heater, and now we're just moving up. Well, I can start yelling if you want me to yell. I can get this party started real quick. We can get this party started very quickly. Not I can start yelling. We can get the energy flowing real quick. Oh boy, we got a nice weekend of some basketball too. We got the Spurs giving OKC a run for their money. You love to see that. Just incredible watching Wemby. Incredible watching the Spurs cook on some thunder. And we had the Knicks sweep the poor Cavs. I think we got to see LeBron end his career back in Cleveland. If I got to take a vote on what we saw this next year, I'd say we got to send LeBron back to Cleveland. One last hurrah. Let it end in the place it started. What do y'all think?
You still in?
I still got my baby micros.
Man, I wish I just had more to hold.
I wish I had some minis running. This looks good. It looks like we have some. Looks like you just want to slowly trend up. All-time highs just spooks me to put on a lot of risk going up in all-time highs. We need OKC winning tonight and the Knights closing their series. Bearish.
U.S. Navy restarts guiding ships through the strait.
You got plans today?
Me?
Yes, sir.
Got some work to do. With my daughter. That's about it.
Nice.
What about you?
Just chilling. Oh, not a whole lot. Ooh.
Are you gonna buy the SpaceX IPO when it drops?
No. I'll wait for a pullback.
I thought about buying some. I never buy them. I thought about buying some of this one. Look, I mean, you never know. It could just sell straight off, but I see it pumping hard, and then the selling.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Just nuke or trade. Nuke or freaking trade.
It's hard not to sell some of your long term in this. So much rent. Holy shit. So it's basically SpaceX and Starlink.
Don't. So awesome. Just watching us. We got to make money going into all-time highs at 30K. That's what's up. I'm going to use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Pulled out early. That's not such a bad. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry you lost out in the trade early. Overslept. I can't have you doing that, baby. Hope you stay. Absolute nuke town. From the entry up to here, we're going for 200 points, baby. That's the type of trade that you want to see at all-time highs. They don't get much cleaner on the lower time frames. Damn, I wish I would have gotten full size on this. It would have literally been an enormous day. Enormous. It's just hard for me to go full size and full risk on with minis when we're at all-time highs, especially going into upside on all-time highs. What's my MU doing today? Is my MU cooking? Oh, yeah. Let's go. My MU is ripping. Let's go. Y'all want to see something crazy? That is insane. So I have 44 shares left. I sold 6 shares to make it a risk-free investment. Yep. So on my 44 shares, My average price is $70.65. I had 50 shares, but I sold 6 to get my investment back. On that, that's insane. That's not crazy. Tell me this isn't crazy. Look at this right here. Tell me this isn't crazy. Look at that. Over 1,000, you can't really see it, but over 1,000%. Tell me that's not freaking bananas. Should we still on the screen? 44 shares, $70 a share, 36 racks. Yup. Up 36 racks just on that one position. And it's risk-free. Literally up a risk-free 36K on MU. Tell me that's not real gangster-like. Yep, just straight green, baby. All we see is green. Tell me that's not tough. That $3,500 investment for 36K return. Tell me that's not bananas. And it's risk-free now because I already I sold those 6 shares to get my money back. 4 racks into 40. Possible for late entries. I'd say the safe move is likely done. We might see a retest into here, but sorry to tell you, but the Avs get swept. Oh, bro, that's foul. That's not very nice. It's overextended. That's what you say, and it just keeps moving. Go Canes. Yeah, that game was crazy last night. I was actually low-key rooting for Montreal. I like to see a home team win. Crowd go nuts. We got a lot of good deals in the prop land right now. My two favorites right now are personally Tradeify and Lucid. You can get 50% off Lucid for your first 2 accounts, then 40% after, and then Tradeify, you can get 40% off your first 5 accounts too. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Alpha Futures is like 25% off. FFF 50 to 80% off. A lot of different firms for you guys to use and trade with. The traders are in control. Dum, da, da, dum. Yep, 10 more likes on YouTube, everybody. Realize. Being too. Dum, dum. Yeah, how about that new Ferrari EV? What an absolutely horrible car. I don't know if it's like a marketing stunt because they want people talking about them, or if it was genuinely like they thought they were cooking on that. If it's a marketing stunt and they're going to like retract it and their goal was to get people talking about them, and you know, it's kudos to them. But if that is actually a model that they are proud of and standing behind, I don't know. Someone needs to get fired, or a few people need to get fired. I also don't do EVs. Two-tone in my bed. No hybrid supercars. It's a no from me. That's a no from me, dog. No matter how you cut it, it's a no from me. No EVs, not allowed for supercars. You're just mad it will smoke your Porsche. Well, for one, I guess it might by a few milliseconds, but it's also a hybrid, and it's it's a hybrid, so it's also silent. If I wanted an EV, I'd go buy an EV. If I wanted electric, I would, but I also have testosterone running through my veins, so that probably will never happen. We're gas powered here, baby. We're old school. It's something. I think y'all can guess how I feel about EVs. One of the worst mistakes I've ever made in my life was getting that Revuelto, the hybrid Lamborghini. Horrible mistake. We'll never do it again. They're also going to lose their value massively. No EVs will ever hold value. Ever. You know what's been cooking in value too is my Porsche, the GT2. That thing is cooking in value. It'll be $1 million car one day. Or close to it. If you go look up Porsche GT2 RS, go try to find my spec with under 10,000 miles for less than 600K. You won't. Impossible. You won't do it. Honestly, any of these specs, like all of these specs have more miles than me, and they're all like the cheapest one is 601. The GT2s are 600 plus. You will not find one for under 600. You just won't, unless it has like a ton of miles. This one right here, this 911 that has 2,300 miles is 1.2 million. Crazy. I have 9,000 miles on mine, like less than 9,100, 9,000 miles on mine, and it's a GT2 RS YSAC package. I bought it for $510. It's worth probably right now like 600 plus. I mean, I'm not selling it. I'm not going to sell that car probably ever. The GT2 RS YSAC package, 2018. GT2 RS. That's the key, not a 3RS. GT2 RS. It's high, bro. I hated the Revuelto, bro. The car was terrible. Very awful. I bought the GT2 for $510. I got a great deal on it. Great deal on it. Like the cheapest one I've found is $481. My spec is better, and this car has 31,000 miles. Not bad. Yep, YSAC package. Car has like 40K of fiber of carbon fiber on it. It's like the SVJ Roadster prices, bro. Go look at the SVJ Roadster prices. They're insane. You want an SVJ Roadster with decent, decently low miles? Like, you're paying over $1 million straight up. Flip it now, make 50K in 1 month? No way. Never gonna happen. Or I could keep the car and love it and get joy from it, and then let it go up to $1 million one day. Maybe. Obviously, there's a risk in every trade and every investment, but I look at that as an investment car. That's why I rarely drive it. Ghetto. Big winner on live. All right, y'all. I'm going to call it a morning. 3 Raccos plus on the day. We'll take it. Wish it would have been full size. We would have had maybe a humble Honda type day. I appreciate y'all being here with me. Keep trading smart. Trading safe. Staying focused. Choosing DOD. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the live, all right? I will not be on for Power Hour today. Got a lot of things going on. But tomorrow morning, bright and early, come ready to learn. Prepared to level up and follow your plan. I'm glad we could catch a nice winner today. All it takes is one good trade a day to change a lot of aspects of your life. I'm also going to pick right now. 2 of y'all are getting a Venmo. 2 of y'all are getting a Venmo.
That's it for me today, Jdun.
Oh, shit. You're still here, Grizzly. Oh, shit. I forgot. Forgot you're still here.
I can hear you.
I got to pick 2 people to win.
Oh, this might be the higher low entry. Literally been waiting on this. Was about to quit trading. Let's see.
Let's see. Let's pick. No, winner 1 is boom, Relentless. Congratulations, Relentless. Send Venmo. Winner 1 from Discord. Bada bing, bada boom. Winner 2.
All right, everyone. I'll see you back in the morning.
Right, see you, bro. Peace. Winner 2 is going to be. Pick a rando. Well, I scrolled too high. Fidel Cash Flow. Gotta love Orb and DOD. Thank you, Jdun and Grizzly, for your expertise in helping me along this journey. I'm only at the beginning, but thanks to Jdun and Grizzly, I see potential in myself I didn't see before. Winner, baby. Winner 2. Send Venmo. Let's go. And then finally for YouTube, y'all did hit the like goal. I need y'all to send your Venmo in chat right now. We're picking one winner on YouTube. TikTok, if you want to be a part of the giveaway, going over to YouTube right now, Jdun Trades. Go to my YouTube, hit subscribe, JDUN Trades on YouTube. I trade live there every day too. You get full screen share. You can go see what it looks like right now. That's Jdun Trades on YouTube. You have about 1 minute to get over. I'm going to end this TikTok live and go to the YouTube on giveaway. Giveaway on YouTube. God bless y'all. See you guys tomorrow morning on TikTok. Or I'll see you on YouTube very soon. Peace. All right. Picking one Venmo winner right now. This second. It's coming. 5. Well, we're going to give you guys a second to go find your Venmos too. Whoever just came in. All right. Type your Venmo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you're subscribed. You hit that like, and also you're using code JDUN for the best possible prop firm discounts. If you guys are getting funded and trading futures with me, make sure you guys use code JDUN. I got your back always. Here we go. We got Briley Meister 1. Briley Meister 1. Congratulations on winning. Cash straight to your account. Briley Meister. Congratulations. Sit account. Use code JDUN. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, boom. Briley just got herself paid, baby. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you want to trade with me with no lag for the cost of a cup of coffee every single day, you can join Team Bull. So I see a lot of you guys asking. I do these live streams for free every day. However, if you want to join the private Discord where there's zero lag, you can sign up here. This is where I trade live every day on Zoom. So there's no lag for y'all. You can sign up here. All right, y'all. God bless. I hope you guys had a great day. Congratulations, Briley, getting paid. And I'll see you guys in the live tomorrow morning, or I'll see you inside Team Bull, okay? Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye, everybody. Thank you for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.